We have imported a set of tweets into a Dcipher project. Unlike the flat datasets that neatly fit into spreadsheets, this is a nested or hierarchical dataset. Under content, for example, we have a collection of hashtags, and that's something that would not fit into a flat dataset. In the table view, you can flatten the nested fields. For example, right-click the content column header and click Flatten Content. We can now see the subfields, like message and language code. The table view is also useful for navigating between different levels of the dataset. Let's say we want to find out what hashtags a certain tweet contains. By clicking the Items link on the row we're interested in, we get a list of the hashtags for that tweet. To navigate back to the root level of the dataset, click the dataset name in the Workbench header. It's also possible to view all the hashtags for all the tweets as a single list. This is done by drag and dropping the hashtag collection to the Show Data drop zone in the table view. We might also want to aggregate the hashtags across all the posts. This is done by drag and dropping the hashtag value field to the Group By drop zone in the table view. This groups together the unique hashtags and calculates the number of posts that each of them appears in.